wartime, in the middle of poor time. No cash for more rhymes, breaking my back with a sore spine. No shine, living in such a dark world, silhouette of a cold dream. Whispering what you wanna hear, but all you feel is cold heat. Beckoning what we don't speak, candles burning so cold. Flame is so old, but a sin still follows me home. Meaning's hard to find, so I follow where the wind blows. Listen to the wind chimes and asking where the time goes. The windows glow with the ancient low. Actually the prone, complacent drones die alone. Always on the phone, calling the sister soul to where the meaning has blown. They're rolling to the backbone, so you gotta stay strong. You gotta stay strong. Please try and stay awake. Please try and stay awake. I've given up time to rattle pain to its knees. I've given up sleep to sing this mental song of peace. I've given up time to rattle pain to its knees. I've given up sleep to sing this mental song of peace. We walk between the lines of a lost dreamscape. We purge in a belief that everything seems fake. No love to a fingertip that's always out of reach. I'm tossed to a gloom of strangers, I cannot weep. Stagnation is my kingdom and the pain was my bride. Governed to be alone when I was walking by the blind. They cannot control what they cannot see, but practice makes perfect, so it takes time to believe. But it's nothing but hollow eyelids to lead the way. But these blind kids only support themselves these days. I choose my